Awakening Humanity, a message for peace in a divided world, greater than today. We live in a world full of noise, but little truth. We see wars instead of words, bullets instead of books, and anger instead of empathy. Children are dying before they even learn to live. Women are silenced, oppressed, and often unheard. Evil walks freely, while kindness hides in fear. Greater than humanity is losing its most powerful gift, compassion. We hate faster than we understand. We judge quicker than we care. We divide by religion, caste, language, and race, forgetting that we all belong to the same earth. Greater than why are we choosing violence over dialogue? Why is a gun louder than a heart? Where has our wisdom gone? Greater than in the name of God. We have created gods of war. In the name of tradition, we've forgotten reason. And in the name of identity, we've buried unity. Greater than but still, hope remains. If we listen deeply, truth still whispers. If we care enough, change is possible. Greater than let us rise, not in hatred, but in humanity. Let us replace superstition with science, violence with values, revenge with reason. Greater than let us protect our children, not bury them. Let us uplift our women, not silence them. Let us heal the earth, not burn it down. Greater than we are not enemies, we are one family. Let's stand for peace, not as a weak choice, but as the strongest revolution of all. Voice of humanity begins here. With you, with us, with truth. Globe Dove.